In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check page analytics and views in Confluence. If you've ever wondered how many people are reading your documentation or whether a recent update is getting attention, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find those answers inside Confluence. We'll move at a comfortable pace and keep everything simple and clear. First, open the Confluence page you want to check. Starting from the page itself ensures the analytics you're about to see are specific to that single page, not the whole space. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu, sometimes called More Actions or Page Options. Click it to expand additional tools that aren't displayed by default. Depending on your Confluence version or permissions, the exact label can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. This menu holds the in-depth options for the page. In that menu, look for something labeled Analytics, Page Insights, or Page Views. The wording may differ between Confluence Cloud and Server or Data Center, but the destination is the same. If you don't see any analytics option, it may be due to permissions or your plan tier. In that case, you might need to check with your Confluence administrator. Open the analytics section. You'll land on a dedicated view or panel that focuses on this page's performance. Here, you'll typically see totals or charts that summarize activity over time. Take a moment to review the page views, visitors, and activity details. Page views generally count every time the page is loaded, while visitors usually refer to unique people who viewed it. That means views will often be higher than visitors. Activity details may show patterns such as recent spikes, trends over days or weeks, and sometimes refers or viewing sources, depending on your configuration. Remember that some instances aggregate or anonymize details for privacy, so the depth of information can vary. If you want to examine a particular time frame, check the date range. You'll usually find a selector that lets you switch from a default period, like the last 7 or 30 days, to a custom range. Adjusting this helps you tie engagement to specific events, such as a recent release or announcement. Finally, use these statistics to understand how often the page is being viewed. Look for peaks after updates, compare recent activity to historical trends, and identify content that might need a refresh. When you read these numbers in context, what changed, who needs this information, and when people are visiting, you'll get a reliable picture of your page's impact. And that's it. With these steps, you can confidently find and interpret page analytics in Confluence to make smarter data-informed content decisions.